lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 21st to February the 28th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and please hit the notification bell. Yan, kung wala po dito ang inyong reading, meron po tayong isang channel that is Babaylan TV. Pwede nyo pong i-check doon at nagla-live po tayo doon. No? So, you're free to join the session. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? Simulan na natin dito, Sagittarius. So parang nararamdaman mo na, no, itong success, nararamdaman mo na itong sinasabi nating pwedeng pagtupad ng pangarap, no? Pangarap may mean literally pwedeng sabihin mong pera, no, amount of money, trabaho, no, pagbabago ng isang kasama sa bahay or kapamilya. Let's say, meron tayong isang project na hindi rin, let's say, sinubukan tapos nag-fail tayo at first. It could also be business, no? It could also be sumubok tayong muli sa pag-ibig, no? So, I can see here a combination of aspects of your life. Pwedeng romantic and then finances. Pwedeng romantic, finances, family, no? Or, you know, kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Basta ang nakikita natin dito, feeling mo, ito na yung promotion, ito na yung recognition, ito na yung time, no? Para ibigay sa atin yung mga bagay-bagay na matagal na nating inaasam. We probably manifesting it, doing rituals, prayers. Prayers are also rituals, no? Kasi minsan pupunta tayo ng kung saan man yung ating place of worship. Pwedeng sa temple, no? Pwedeng sa church, pwedeng sa mosque, no? We're not talking about religion here. Kung saan kayo komportable. Pwede lang din sa room ninyo. Nagtitiri kayo ng kandila, no? That's also part of the rituals. So, ang nakikita natin dito, namimiss mo kasi itong, let's say for example, pwedeng naranasan mo na ito before and then medyo bumagal lang, nabawi, hindi natin naagapan, no? Nasa rurok na tayo sana, but then again, parang ungusan tayo, pwedeng we became complacent, no? Doon sa mga sitwasyon, and then it happened. You're going back to square one. So you took it as a challenge na parang okay lang yan, no? Na at least alam ko na yung proseso, no? On how to be there. For a few numbers of you, siguro ito yung sinasabi nating gusto ko uling matamasa, no? Ma-experience itong mga bagay-bagay. Muntikan ka na kasi ditong sumuko, no? But with the Emperor, sinabi mo, hindi eh. Alam kong meron pa akong yung maliit na spark, no, ng pag-asa. Probably there are times na nagdalawang isip ka rin, no? Sa sarili mo, nagdalawang isip ka rin na kakayanin ko pa ba, no? But then again, hindi ka sumuko. And then nakita natin dito yung part na down na tayo, no? Ah, parang gatiting na lang, gabuhok na lang. You're about to give up. But then again, you continue with a Page of Cups. No? Parang dito mo nakikita na, ay, eto na yung pag-asa. No? With the Ace of Swords and the Two of Swords. So ito nga yung parang failure natin, challenges, sabihin natin, isang part ng buhay natin na hindi naman, well, pinagsisihan, yes. Kasi nga, meron tayong contribution, no? Bakit hindi natin then nakuha agad? But with the star in here, hindi naman nawawala yung pag-asa, hindi nawawala yung dream, no? Siguro, nandito pa rin siya sa dugo mo, no? Nananalaytay pa rin siya sa iyong mga ugat, no? Sabihin nating nagpahinga, merong nagawang mali, but then again, babangon, no? Hindi para durugin, kundi para kamtan. With the 10 of Cups, for a few numbers of you, siguro, you failed to have a child, to build a family. Probably nagkaroon kayo ng nalaglag, no? Or nakunan. For a few numbers of you, broken family. You tried para buuin itong family, or probably with the same person or a different person, a different partner, no? It doesn't matter. With the Death card, ito yung sinasabi nating reverse. Pero, with the Moon card, ito siguro kasi, with the Two of Pentacles in here, siguro nandito ka pa, no? Sa part na, kakayanin pa ba? Kaya ko pa ba? Meron pa ba? Meron pa bang tao na magtitiwala sa akin? May tao pa ba na magmamahal sa akin? With the Six of Cups, ang sarap din kasi minsan ng maramdaman, no? Na tayo inaalagaan, na tayo may nag-aalala sa atin, no? Hindi lang sa atin, pati dun sa ating mga mahal, no? Taong nakapaligid sa atin. It could be anak, magulang, kapatid. With the Three of Swords, siguro malaking dagok itong, siguro you said, no? Parang sinabi mo sa sarili mo na at one point in time, no? Wala kang ginawang tama. Hindi lang ibang tao na, no? Yung nagsasabi nito, kundi ikaw na mismo, kaharap mo na yung salamin, sinasabi mo na hindi maganda yung ginagawa mo, you're such a failure, you're a disappointment. Dumating tayo dun sa self-pity na gano'n, no? But then again, after mong ma-realize na hindi dito magtatapos, no, ang istorya ng buhay ko. I need to bounce back, no? Kailangan kong bumawi, kahit hindi para sa ibang tao, sa sarili ko na lang. With the Sun in here, yung perseverance mo, yung vision mo. Ngayon, I feel like you're very serious. Ang laki ng maturity, no? Na nakikita ko sa'yo. Kumbaga, kung dati nilalaro-laro mo lang yung buhay, ngayon, pero sabihin mong nilalaro mo pa rin, pero it's much of a risk, yung calculated risk, no? You're using your brain, no? Your logic, rather than your emotion, most likely, no? With the Two of Pentacles, with the Five of Cups. And also probably you're also listening to your intuition. Kasi maraming bagay yung pinagsantabi natin dahil lang sa takot, no? Kahit sinasabi ng puso natin, sige gawin mo yan, ipagpatuloy mo, maraming bagay na nag-aabang sa'yo dun sa para ma-achieve itong mga bagay-bagay. Pero dahil nga sa takot, inunahan mo agad, sabi mo, nag-fail na ako dyan no? Saan tayo bumawi? With the Five of Pentacles in here and the Page of Rods. So I feel like meron tayong nakitang inspiration, probably online, no? It could be from motivational speaker, no? Businessman, or probably sabihin mong vlogger, no? Sabihin mo ring story ng buhay na na-feature, no? Na somehow feeling mo, ay similar kami. Kung siya kinaya, ako pa kaya, no? Mas mahirap yung pinagdaanan niya. I feel like nakaka-relate ka sa isang tao, whether kilala or hindi, parang yun yung nagsabi sa'yo na may pag-asa pa, no? With the Page of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. So, eto na, pahawak na, no? Parang hahawakan mo na, mararamdaman mo na, may experience mo na very, very soon. Kasi Page of Pentacles, dito na yung nagsisimula eh. Page of Cups, dito pa lang yung nai-envision, no? Page of Pentacles, eto na yung katuparan, no? Hindi man ganun kalaki agad-agad kasi it could be the 10 of Pentacles or the Wheel of Fortune, no? Yun yung parang biglaan. This is a process, and I feel like nandito tayo, no? Willing to do the process, makamtam lang, no? Of course, hindi tayo mananapak ng tao, morality still, no? Ang paiiralin. Ayan, let's get some more cards here, Sagittarius. Para po sa mga bago, again, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell, at kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? So, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, no? Dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link dito po sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, question form, name, amount per question, number, QR code for your reference. Please take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. That's already a discounted price, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, our love will never cease to exist. Sabihin natin na kung meron man tayong inaasahan na isang tao na bumalik, no? What I am seeing in here is pwedeng yung separation ninyo is physical lang, pero nandun pa din itong link, no? Yung tinatawag nating red string, no? Between you na hindi mawala-wala, hindi maputol-putol, no? Mahal nyo pa rin yung isa't isa. But let's see here, no? The message of the universe. Make today your new beginnings. Try to leave any past mistakes in the past. Don't allow them to weigh you down any longer. Move forward today with the confidence and knowing that you have better and brighter days ahead. And I think that this is a strong parang message from the universe na there's a sun, no? In store for you. There's hope, and the manifestation is going to happen. And again, katulad ng sinabi ko, it is going to happen very, very soon. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. If this is romance reading, no, for you, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries. Did I just said no? Sagittarius is here, Cancer is here, Aquarius. Yeah. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the